Hi guys, welcome back to Spodaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create Pinterest account on iPhone. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, home and style inspirations, and more. Set up a Pinterest account to discover pins you love and save them to boards to keep your ideas organized and easy to find. Before it, you have to create a new personal account to discover pins and save them to boards. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap sign up and then tap your email address. Tap next here, and then after that you have to create a password, and you can tap show password to make sure your password. Then tap next here and then enter your age. Tap next again. And in this page, Pinterest asks you about the gender. And then in this page, you can select your country or region here. After that, tap next again. In this page, you can select 5 or more topics. After that, you have to tap next. And then this pop-up, you have to tap allow to track your activity across other companies, apps, and websites. And you already have a Pinterest account. Well guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!